Hey everyone, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your avatar on Duolingo. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, go to the profile section. And after that, as you can see, we have an avatar on the top. So just tap on it. So as you can see, delete button is not available. Duolingo has introduced a new avatar creator feature. So this tool allows you to design a personalized avatar with a various customization option, including hairstyle, body shape, skin tones, and accessories. So as I said earlier, there is no option to delete your avatar. So the only way is to change your avatar. And if you already finalize your avatar, after customizing, save your new avatar. This will update your profile picture accordingly. So just tap on done and that's it. So to summarize, you can delete the avatar, but you can change your avatar on Duolingo. So if you have any issues, let me know.